Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best deep cycle battery chargers on Amazon. Efficient chargers for deep cycle batteries, optimizing performance and longevity in renewable energy, marine, and RV applications. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Battery Tender Plus. Rig owners who value efficiency in their battery chargers will have to consider Battery Tender Plus's 12V 1.25 amp PowerSport battery charger. It might be the most efficient on this list, considering it can outperform virtually every 3 amp model using only 1.25 amps. But the product's efficiency isn't its only good trait. I was also enthralled by its protective measures against sparking, reverse polarity, and short-circuiting. These aspects should cure any worry a person might have about using the device. The product's quick connect harness should make its entire using process much easier as well. Several other buyers found this aspect made even the toughest connections straightforward. In these situations, a feature like this one can relieve a notable amount of frustration. It comes with ring terminals, and alligator chips are very helpful. Both these inclusions will make the setup process much easier, which is always a good thing. Number 2. Noko 10-amp fully automatic smart charger. If you're looking for a 6-volt deep cycle battery charger, Noko's 10-amp fully automatic smart charger should have you covered. It is designed to provide precise charging for both 6-volt and 12-volt lead-acid deep cycle batteries. The charger thrives in these situations because it has features like an integrated thermal sensor. It'll detect temperature and change the charge to prevent overcharging in hotter areas and undercharging in colder climates. Aside from its impressive results in different climates, I was pleased with its ability to charge dead batteries. This aspect comes from its force mode, which allows a user to take manual control and charge batteries at 0 volts easily. This battery charger Marine offers the added benefit of restoring your rig's battery as well. It can detect acid stratification and battery sulfation to help recoup lost battery performance. Number 3. Schumacher Rapid Battery Charger. Are you looking for a device capable of being a deep cycle marine battery charger as well as an RV deep cycle battery charger? Schumacher's 612V Rapid Battery Charger can fill both roles with ease thanks to its well-constructed design. Honestly, this particular Schumacher deep cycle battery charger's features make it capable of thriving in these situations. One of these is its easy use process, which comes from aspects like its digital display, LED indicators, push-button controls, and start-stop interface. Each of these aspects makes sure even someone like me would have no trouble operating it. It was a bit shocking to me how easy it was, given my past issues setting up electronic devices. I wasn't the only one to feel this way. Number 4. Ampac 12V Fully Automatic Smart Battery Charger. The Ampac 12V Fully Automatic Smart Battery Charger has become a favorite among rig owners due to its quick and effective results. These results haven't only impressed riggers, though, as it's proven to work well with boats, power sport, motorcycles, cars, etc. It can work well in these situations because of its many incredible features, such as its intelligent microprocessor. This aspect monitors your battery's voltage level and can adapt the charging process based on its gathered data. This device's cooling fan and vents were other aspects that caught my attention. Both these design features work together to diffuse heat effectively. It'll keep the operating temperature down, ensure charge times become quicker, and improve your battery's lifespan. And the price tag itself should fall right into a realistic budget. In some situations, a customer might even consider it a steal. Number 5. Towertop 12V Smart Battery Charger. Finding a more well-equipped option than Towertop's 12V Smart Battery Charger would be challenging. After all, this product can charge any 12-volt lead-acid battery, including STD, AM, and gel, without issue. It has even been known to work as a marine deep cycle battery charger. Honestly, it's hard to find a situation where this model isn't suited to be a helpful device. But this versatility wouldn't be too impressive without high performance quality. Thankfully, this option's excellent 7-step charging program offers fantastic results. I haven't had an overcharging issue since using this product on my deep cycle batteries. It has only made sure they had enough juice to function correctly. Another area where this deep cell battery charger outpaced my expectations was its design. It only weighs about 5 pounds, which makes transporting easy. It's a perfect fit for someone who's constantly on the road like me. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.